high maintenance things I do to stay low maintenance because I'm lazy. Before we get into it, blueberry tea, volume up. Literally my happy place. Delicious. I don't like buying a lot of things and I like to take the easy way out when it comes to beauty, but I also like to feel like an it girl. Everything I'm gonna show you is the reason why I feel like an it girl and I still get to be lazy. Press on nails. I'm not gonna go get my nails done every 2 weeks. That's kind of crazy. I have press-ons on right now with my specific routine. They stay on for like 3 weeks. Let me know if you want a whole tutorial on that. It's changed my life. I'm always figuring out. I have the straightest eyelashes in the world and I always have to curl them. This mascara, I don't curl my lashes. They're standing straight up. It's changed my life. Love you, Rare Beauty. I could talk about this for days. You can't tell because it's flattened out. I have wavy hair. Every time I put this in my hair and let it air dry, the waves are perfect. I'm very passionate about her. Next. I have a go-to shower routine. If you have never tried a shower oil, luxurious. It smells like an almond croissant. It smells so good. While I'm in the shower, I use this Santal body cream. This like soaks into your skin. I love her. And this combo, Dolphin Smooth Skin. Dolphin. Top 10 One Direction songs. Love you, baddies. Let me know if you want another part and please join the fam. I love you guys. Mwah.